up, please. Okay, we're going to do the vocabulary section together. Here is our vocabulary words. We have picture graph, survey, and key. Carson, would you read number 1 really loud to your friends, please? Data by asking
people
same question. So in a blank, you collect data by asking people the same question over and over and over again. So whenever you're asking people the same question, like what's your favorite fruit? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite sport? Raise your hand if you know what that is called. Is that a picture graph, a survey, or a key? What do you think, Wyatt? No, it's not a picture graph. Kinsley?
A survey.
It's a survey, yep. So it is a survey. Miss Shapers, you can wait 1 minute, and then we're going to finish 2, 3, and then they can go with you. Okay. Number 1 is a survey. Read number 2 really loud, Libby.
A blank tells what or how many each symbol stands for.
Okay, what do you think that is, Libby? When it tells us how many each symbol stands for. What is that? Are you using the picture graph or the key?
Key.
You're using the key. Remember, when you look at the picture and the key, the picture is the symbol, and it'll tell you like 1 pie or 1 piece of pizza equals 1 vote. So you need to always look at the key to tell you how much each symbol is. Lewis, read number 3.
A blank has different pictures to show information for.
So what is that called? So the picture graph has different pictures. Remember, that's why it's called a picture graph or a pictograph. All right, Ms. Shapers, first group, you're going to quietly push your chair, go with her. When you come back, you will need to finish this on your own, except the brain builders. Girls, are you listening?
Yeah.
Okay, so don't ask me what to do when you come back. Okay. All right, now, what I'm going to have you guys do, Carson? No, thank you. Easter eggs are on your desk, they're not a toy. Okay, now we're going to go to the brain builders, and then you guys are going to finish. There's only 2 questions you have to do on your own. So guys, you'll have to do this in a minute on your own, and you'll have to do the top on your own. But let's go down to the brain builders, because this is going to get our brains thinking. Okay, so go down to number 10. On number 10, it says, how many more people voted for bike and jump rope all together? So everybody look at bike and jump rope. Count those. Right now, Carson, count those.
3, 4, 2, 5, 8. Wow.
Okay, guys, how many?
8.
Okay, so bike and jump rope are 8. So Mrs. Berg's going to write an 8 over here. I want you to do the same. Now, my question is, how many people voted for baseball and the inline skating? Count those. Baseball and inline skating. Okay, guys, how many?
6.
What is it?
6.
It's 6. Okay, now, my question is, how many more? So, if bike and jump rope is 8, and baseball inline skating is only 6, how many more is that? Everybody?
2.
2, because 8 minus 6 is 2. because there are 2 more people that voted. Now, the next question says, look at this question. If 3 more people voted for jump rope, so look at the jump rope. Mrs. Murphy's going to add 3 more. Look up here, guys. I have 3 plus 3 more, 5, 6, 7. Oop, I forgot to cross there, right? 5, 6. Wait. We're at 3, 4, 5, 6. So really, if 3 more people voted, there'd be 6. And it says, if 1 more person votes for baseball, how many is baseball, guys? 4. And if 1 more votes, it'd be 5. Which toy would now be the favorite? Carson, which one?
Jump rope?
Jump rope would be the favorite. Why do you say jump rope?
Because it has the most time on it.
It has the most tie marks. So down on the next one at the bottom, on number 11, we have to write jump rope. So jump rope would be the favorite. If 3 more people voted for jump rope and 1 person voted for baseball. Okay, last one. Here's a practice. 2 students did not vote. If those 2 students all voted for inline skates, which toy would have the most votes? So let's go back up here. It says if 2 people did not vote for inline skates, so let's cross off those 2. So how many would be there?
0.
0, right? There wouldn't be any there. So this is kind of an interesting question. Which toy would have the most votes? I know.
Jump rope.
What would it be, guys?
Jump rope.
Still. No.
Bike. Bike.
Bike. Why would bike have the most votes?
Because then 5, 7.
Bike
5,
has,
6, 7.
Bike has 5. Inline skates would have 0.
Yes.
Baseball would have 4. Jump rope would have 3. So you're right, Lewis and Mason. Bike would have the most votes. So color in bike.
How many is that? Baseball.
So color in bike, the circle. Okay, now put your pencils down, Isa, Mrs. Murphy. This is your directions. We have about 20 more minutes of math left. This is what you need to get done. You need to finish the top part on this page. Maybe I would do this right away. 7 and 8 and 9. You need to, listen, you need to, what did they do over here? What did they forget to do?
Draw the picture.
They forgot to draw the pictures. So jump rope has 3 tally marks. So you need to just draw a picture as best you can of a jump rope. So 3 jump ropes, 4 baseballs, 2 skates, and 5 bikes. So they forgot to do that. So you need to put the pictures in. That's the first thing you need to do. Then you need to answer these questions. How many more votes did bike get than baseball? How many people like jump rope and inline skates? So you need to read those questions and answer them. I don't think your pencil should be up. Because if you have your hand up wanting a question in a few minutes, I'm not going to come to you because you've been working and not listening. Okay, now on the bottom, you'll go back to the front page, and then this is what you have to do. We are going to do this really quickly. We're going to ask 10 people their favorite color. Use tally marks to record the data. Use the data in the chart to answer the questions. So I'm going to pick 10 sticks, and we're going to call on 10 people to help us make our data. So your choices are blue, pink, green, and purple. Okay. If your stick gets cold, wonderful. If not, it's okay. All right, so this person, John, what's your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue. So everybody right now, do a tally mark for blue. Okay. The next stick is Addie.
Pink.
Pink. Okay, so that's 2 people. our next friend being picked is Briley's not in here. How about Ellie?
Pink.
Pink. Another tally for pink. Tyson.
Green.
Green.
Knew it.
All right, so far we got 4 people. Arya's not in here.
One more person.
Rigel is not in here. I think I accidentally put him in. Lila.
Purple.
Purple.
I pink
Lily.
Pink.
Pink.
Yes.
Okay, we got 6 votes. We need 4 more. All right, Kinsley.
Blue.
Blue. All right. How about Eden?
Green.
Green.
I knew it.
And
The last one.
this is the last one. Ingrid's not in here.
No, there's 2 more.
Wyatt.
He said blue.
I didn't hear you. I'm sorry. Blue. Raylan, you're right. There was 2 more. Now there's 1 more. Right, Raylan? Okay, one last person. Who gets to vote? How about Raylan?
Oh, good. Blue.
Blue.
It's blue.
Okay. So now, we just created our chart. You guys need to figure out the totals and then answer the questions. What color do people like the most? How many people like pink and green? Here's the keyword and. What color do people like the least? So I want you to read the questions. When you get done, I want you to go to the R's in math and get those. You can go around the room and work on those. Okay?